So now look at this right here. We got $9 million, 1,838 accounts. Charge-off date is 10/5/07. Average balance $4,900. Let me tell you, this is it. For every state, it's past the statute of limitations. Even the states that have a 10-year statute of limitations, there's no way that they can collect this debt unless you don't know what your legal rights are. They cannot collect none of this $9 million, but they put it on the market for sale and they'll sell it to a debt collector. They got 1,838 strikes at the bat to get people to make their money back, and they're going to probably sell this whole account for a couple of $1,000s. So they're going to take a risk. Out of 1,800 people that don't know their rights, that's a lot of money that can be collected. Look at this next one. $85.4 million, 44,000 accounts, over 44,000 accounts. Charge-off date is 2007, 11/27/07. Average balance $1,904. Again, even with the worst states, I think there's only 3 states that have a 10-year statute of limitations. It's still past that. They can't even get into court with this. All you have to do is send them a letter stating that it's past the statute of limitations. Let's look at this one. $6.2 million, 2,568 accounts. Charge-off date 2011. Only the 3 states, if you happen to live in those 3 states that have a 10-year statute of limitations, everyone else is 6 years and under. Average balance $2,451.79. I'd really consider this uncollectible. Those states that have a 10-year are really like rural type states, farming states. So I don't know why they want to hurt the farmers or people that live in those states. The next one here, $7.8 million, 2,870 accounts, 2009, past statute of limitations for all 50 states. Average account balance $2,724.65. Look at this next one. Mixed accounts 28 million. That's 28 million to $28.96 million. 7,474 accounts. Charge-off date 7/9/08. 100% past statute of limitations. Average balance $3867.60. Look at this next one. $7.9 million, 2,342 accounts. Charge-off date 2008, past statute of limitations. Look, I hate to be redundant with this, folks, but look at this. The reason why these are up for sale is because people don't know their rights and they're falling into the traps, and they end up either getting the debt reauthorized or they just don't show up to court to even fight for their rights, and they get a default judgment. Then they got 20 years of fighting for a debt that they probably would have never had to pay a penny for.